Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be going through how to upgrade or convert React.js project into TypeScript. As you guys know, there are two ways of creating or developing React projects. One is TS, which stands for TypeScript, and the other one is the typical JS, which stands for JavaScript files. So if you already have a system in JS, it's very easy to convert it to a TypeScript project. So let's get started. Within your React app, at the root, you need to create a tsconfig.json file. Once you do that, you need to copy all of this into that. Let me just go over it. We have compiler options. Now we need to set the target. We need to set some libraries. We need to set the JSX. In the TypeScript, we usually have TSX. So in the JavaScript React project that you have, you most probably will have the TSX here. And the module resolutions, and we don't have to have any strict limits to it. And then we include the source. This is where your project lives. Once that is done, you need to manually go and rename all of these JSX files to TSX. So app TSX, main TSX. Yeah, these are the two files you need to change. The last step, you also need to change all the JS extension files to TS files. In this example, we do have a vite.config.ts. We do have config.js. So you just need to find out all the JS and JSX files from your project and change those to TSX and TS accordingly. So that is it. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will see you in the next one.